Welcome to DB Query Builder for SQL Server tutorials. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a select query, preview deleted data, convert a select query to a delete query, and run it. First, let's retrieve data from the example.customer table and take a look at it. Let's create a query that will delete all table records with customer ID values of less than 120. Send the table to the Query Builder. Then set up the selection condition. Select the Customer ID column as an operand. Select lesser than as a criteria operator, and then enter 120 as a value. You can preview the records that will be deleted according to the specified condition. Now, change the query type from select to delete. As you can see, the where condition remains. Check the query text. Everything is as designed. Now execute the query. Let's look at the table data. The result corresponds to our condition. You have been watching the DB Query Builder for SQL Server tutorial. Just download a 30-day trial of the tool and see how quickly and easily you can design complex SQL queries without writing code manually. Thank you for watching.